Welcome to the AI Brief. We're diving deep, number 269, into the biggest shifts in artificial intelligence.
Well, it's a huge week. We're seeing Google really leverage its browser dominance for AI.
Right, turning Chrome into an AI powerhouse.
Mm-hmm.
And elsewhere, AI designing new life forms.
Viruses?
No less.
Exactly. And video models that can actually reason about their own output. Studio quality stuff.
Okay, so let's break that down. First,
Okay.
Google embedding Gemini right into Chrome, basically making AI browsing standard.
Mm-hmm. Second, that incredible breakthrough with AI designing completely new functional virus genomes.
And third, Luma's Ray 3 video model. It's got this reasoning ability, self-critique, quite something. Let's jump in.
Okay.
So we've heard chatter about AI browser wars, Comet, Arc, but it's a dedicated AI browsers. But it feels like Google just kind of ended that race with one update.
It really looks that way. Strategically, it's smart. Why build a new car when you can put a jet engine in the one everyone already drives? They're putting native Gemini access directly into Chrome for all U.S. desktop users initially.
And this isn't just another sidebar, is it? What's the core capability?
The big one is multi-tab context. Gemini can look at info across all your open tabs. You don't have to switch around.
Ah, okay. So if I'm researching across, say, 3 articles.
It sees all 3. Understands the context from all of them. There's a dedicated button for it. Plus, the address bar itself gets in AI mode soon. For complex questions, follow-ups, right there.
That sounds very integrated, almost ambient.
That's the idea. And they're already talking about the next step, agentic capabilities.
Okay, agentic capabilities. We talk about agents a lot. Remind us what that means in this context. Like, what can it do?
It means the AI can tackle complex tasks on its own. Multi-step things. Think booking grocery delivery based on recipes you just looked at, or finding appointment slots.
So it breaks down the big goal, get dinner ingredients, into smaller steps and just does them.
Exactly. Compares prices, checks availability, maybe even places the order, all in the background, potentially.
That integration level is just massive. It makes the AI assistant part of the furniture, like the URL box.
It's arguably the biggest shift in how we interact with a browser since the browser bar itself.
Okay, wow. Let's pivot now. From digital dominance to biological creation. This story from Stanford and the Arc Institute. Designing new viruses with AI. That sounds like science fiction.
It's a major step in computational biology. They trained an AI called EVO on about 2 million known viruses. Then they basically asked EVO to design completely new ones that could function.
And did it actually create working viruses?
It did. Out of over 300 attempts, 16 designs proved functional in the lab. They infected and killed bacteria as intended.
16 working novel viruses designed by an AI. What makes them novel?
Well, they contained hundreds of mutations, 392 actually, never seen in nature before. And crucially, these included combinations that humans had tried to engineer for years and failed.
So the AI succeeded where traditional methods hit a wall? Any examples?
Yeah, a key one. When the bacteria developed resistance to natural viruses, the AI-designed ones often broke through those defenses within days. The natural ones couldn't. And one synthetic virus managed to incorporate a key part from a very distantly related virus family. Researchers have been trying that specific combination for years unsuccessfully.
So AI isn't just analyzing data here. It's inventing, solving fundamental design problems in biology.
Precisely. The Arc Institute called it a new chapter in our ability to engineer biology at its foundational level, moving beyond reading and writing genomes to designing them.
That's profound. And yeah, maybe a little unsettling. All right, let's shift to creative AI. Luma AI's Ray 3 model. The key word they're using is reasoning. What does that mean for a video model?
So Luma's calling Ray 3 the first reasoning video model. The difference is its ability to understand nuance and, importantly, self-critique. It doesn't just take a prompt like sunset over ocean. It understands things like make the light feel colder. And then it evaluates its own output against that standard as it's generating and iterates automatically until it gets it right.
So it's like a creative partner that refines its own work before showing it to you.
Pretty much. And the quality matches that ambition. Native HDR video output, cinematic quality. Plus, it integrates into pro editing workflows.
What about control for the creator?
They have added visual annotation controls. You can literally sketch on frames to guide movement, camera angles, much more granular than just text.
That sounds powerful, but video generation is slow and expensive usually.
They have a solution for that too, a draft mode. It whips up rough previews in about 20 seconds, super cheap. You pick the drafts you like, and then it upgrades just those selected shots to full 4K HDR. Takes under 5 minutes for the upgrade.
Smart. Saves a lot of time and compute cost. Okay, that's a lot already. Google, biodesign, reasoning video. Let's switch to our quick roundup, the everything else's section.
Right, some big industry moves this week. First up, hardware. NVIDIA investing in Intel.
Whoa, wait. NVIDIA investing $5 billion in Intel, their rival.
Yep. Taking about a 4% stake, they're teaming up on AI data centers and PC chips. Intel will actually manufacture some chips for NVIDIA's data center gear, using NVIDIA's NVLink tech for speed.
That's a major realignment.
Okay.
Okay, what else? Notion.
Notion rolled out its first real AI agents. They can handle multi-step tasks autonomously. Things like building pages, analyzing feedback, drafting emails. They pull info from Notion, Slack, Google Drive, and can work alone for up to 20 minutes.
Autonomy is key there.
Next, DeepSeek. Remember their powerful R1 model? A new paper revealed the training cost.
Not much.
Just $294,000, which is stunningly low for a model that competes with ones costing tens, even hundreds of millions.
Wow. Accessibility is plummeting.
Yeah.
Which makes the next point maybe more concerning.
Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei, he stated publicly he thinks there's now a 25% chance things go really, really badly with AI development. Catastrophic outcomes.
A 25% chance of catastrophe from a leading AI safety advocate. That's
Yeah.
sobering.
Definitely. Moving on, Meta is chasing content deals, licensing agreements with big media like Axel Springer, Fox, News Corp for AI training data.
Everyone's scrambling for licensed data now. And Amazon.
Amazon added agentic AI to its seller assistant, helping sellers manage inventory, monitor account health, even develop growth strategies. More autonomous AI in practical business use.
Okay, got it. Finally, let's quickly hit the trending AI tools people should know about.
Sure, the Notion agent we just mentioned for automating complex tasks.
Ray 3 from Luma AI, that reasoning video model with studio quality.
AI Companion 3.0 from Zoom. Upgraded meeting summaries, avatars, agent features.
Marble, that's a World Labs platform for generating 3D worlds you can explore. Still in beta.
For developers, Tambo, for adding React UI bits to AI agents.
Mocke predicts email reply rates quickly.
Marblism offers an AI team for your inbox social media SEO.
And Crevas for generating videos efficiently within a single canvas.
A lot of tools focus on automation and creation this week.
Okay, so let's wrap up. Consider this. We just heard a top-tier AI model, DeepSeek R1, cost less than $300,000 to train. Incredible accessibility. Yet, in the same breath, a key leader like Amodei puts the chance of catastrophe at 25%. What does that combination cheap power, high risk mean for where AI is headed and how fast? Something to think about.
It's the core tension right now, absolutely.
Thanks for tuning into the AI Brief. If this deep dive helped you get up to speed, please share it and make sure you follow us so you don't miss the next one.